Artificial intelligence, a technology so powerful that it often feels like magic. But behind this magic, there is no spell, no mystery, no hidden wizard. AI is simply the incredible combination of data, mathematics, and patterns. Patterns so deep and detailed that machines begin to perform tasks we once believed only humans could do. When we ask AI a question, show it a picture, or give it a command, it doesn't think like a human. Instead, it scans billions of examples, analyzes countless possibilities, and chooses the most accurate answer within a fraction of a second. Its intelligence isn't emotional, it's mathematical. And yet, the result feels surprisingly human. AI's journey begins with raw data. Just like a child learns to speak by listening to thousands of words, AI learns by observing millions of examples. It reads text, scans images, listens to audio, analyzes movements. Every piece of information helps it understand how the world works. If you show AI thousands of images of cats, it doesn't just memorize them. It studies the shapes, the textures, the shadows, the curves of the ears, the pattern of the fur, even the tiny differences in posture. Slowly, piece by piece, AI builds a pattern until one day it can recognize a cat in a completely new picture it has never seen before. Not because it remembers, but because it understands the pattern. Inside AI, there are neural networks, digital structures inspired by the human brain. They are not biological, but they act like tiny decision makers. Thousands, sometimes millions of digital neurons, each performing a tiny calculation. One neuron checks the edges of an image. Another looks at colors. Another detects shapes. And another identifies textures. When all these neurons work together, they produce a solid, confident answer. The more data they see, the sharper their judgment becomes. This is why AI systems become smarter over time. Every mistake improves them. Every correction strengthens them. Every example makes them more accurate. Now comes the most fascinating part: generative AI. This is the AI that creates, not copies, creates. It looks at patterns from millions of examples and uses them to generate something entirely new. Ask it for a cyberpunk city, it will build one from scratch. Ask it to write a poem, it will craft one in a style that feels human. Ask it to produce a melody, it will compose music that never existed before. Generative AI brings imagination into machines. It can draw, write, speak, animate, and even generate human-like voices. It is creativity built on patterns. Creativity without consciousness, but still creativity that feels real. Training AI, however, is not easy. It requires massive computing power, supercomputers, advanced GPUs, and data sensors operating for weeks or even months. During training, AI goes through millions of trial and error cycles. It makes guesses, receives corrections, adjusts its internal weights, and learns over and over again. Much like humans learn by making mistakes, AI also learns by improving itself one tiny step at a time. Except it does this billions of times faster than we ever could. This repetitive polishing is what turns a simple model into a powerful intelligence. But with all this power, AI also has clear limitations. AI doesn't feel. It doesn't have emotions, intuition, or self-awareness. It doesn't know what truth is. It only knows patterns. This is why sometimes AI can give wrong answers with great confidence. It can misunderstand context, misread intention, or hallucinate information that isn't real. It does not understand the world the way humans do. It interprets the world mathematically, and that is both its strength and its weakness. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. With the right use, AI could revolutionize medicine by detecting diseases long before humans can. It could help scientists design new materials, assist teachers in creating personalized education for every child, and support engineers in preventing accidents before they occur. It could power autonomous vehicles, help governments analyze complex data, and assist creators in making films, artwork, and stories faster than ever before. AI is not here to replace humans. It is here to empower humans. The true future belongs not to AI alone, but to humans who know how to use AI. AI is a tool, a powerful, transformative tool, but the creativity, empathy, wisdom, and vision belong to us. As we move forward, our responsibility is to use this technology wisely, carefully, and thoughtfully. If we do that, AI will not limit humanity. It will lift it to heights we have never seen before. This is the real story of artificial intelligence, a story of patterns, learning, growth, and endless possibility. And this is the future we are stepping into, a future where the best outcomes will come when humans and AI work side by side.